안녕하세요, 아이작의 숲의 이삭입니다. 오늘은 제가 또 미국을 또 가게 돼서 유튜브를 또 촬영하게 됐는데, 제가 약 3주 전에 라스베가스에 있는 메탈 슈퍼쇼 때문에 제가 방문을 했었어요. 네, 이번에는 시카고에 있는 이제 틴리쇼 때문에 제가 이제 미국을 방문하려고 하는 건데, 원래 쇼는 10월 7일부터 9일까지인데 오늘은 이제 오늘 10월 4일이거든요. 제가 이제 미리 가는 이유는 리핀리치스에 있는 스티브 아저씨께서 항상 틴리쇼에는 참가를 하셨어요. 근데 항상 이제 참가를 하시기 전에 이제 도움 같은 게 이제 필요하신데, 올해 같은 경우에는 이제 제가 그 도움을 좀 드리고자 방문을 미리 하려고 해요. 리핀리치스는 약 3년 전에 방문을 했는데, 이번에는 이제 리핀리치스에 가서 이제 어떤 개체들이 또 있는지, 또 어떻게 또 이제 스티브 아저씨께서 이제 사용하시는지 또 공유해 드리려고 하고 있고요. 그리고 쇼에서는 어떤 업체, 어떤 브리더, 그리고 이제 어떤 아이들이 또 있는지 여러분에 또 이제 보여드리도록 하겠습니다. 그리고 이제 나중에 이제 미국 도착해서 상황을 또 한번 또 전달해 드리도록 하겠습니다. 네. 이제 좀 전에 이제 뉴욕 JFK 공항에 이제 도착을 했고요. 지금 이제 우버를 타고 이제 스티브 아저씨를 이제 만나러 가고 있는 중입니다. 리핀리치스에 이제 잘 도착했고요. 이제 오늘은 이제 리핀리치스에 어떤 아이들이 있는지, 그리고 이제 아이들에 대한 간단한 설명 같은 거를 이제 아저씨께서 이제 해드리려고 해요. 그래서 나중에 이제 사육방에 들어가서 이제 어떤 개체들이 있는지 한번 또 보여드리도록 하겠습니다. Hey 딕시, come here. 일로 와, 가자. 자, 여기가 이제 리핀리치스고요. 엄청 넓어요. Hey, Mr. Chun-Li.
You can't call me Steve, huh?
No.
Oh my god.
Can you say hello to everyone?
안녕하세요.
Yeah, okay.
Everybody in Korea, 안녕하세요.
Oh, yeah, that's good. So, may I ask you what kind of animals are in Lipenlichis, sir?
Well, we mostly specialize in rhacdactylus geckos from New Caledonia.
Awesome.
Lots of Leachianus, of course,
Yes, sir.
which most of them come specifically from specific places. That's what we mainly specialize in.
그러니까 보시면 아저씨께서 이제 여러 가지 생물들을 이 사육방 안에서 이제 키우시고 브리딩을 하시는데, 이제 한 마리씩 한번 보여드리겠습니다.
So this is a green
Wow.
pointy Mie. She's an old girl.
Wow.
You
that's
can see
amazing. Yes,
their
sir.
color is different. We're not going to keep him out too long. He's angry. She's being quite mellow.
Wow.
So this is a pair of green pointy Mies. I will also show you evil green pointy Mie.
Evil green pointy.
That's her. Whoa. She has killed 2 males.
Oh no.
Unfortunately, she's by herself right now because she took her the tail off of the last one.
Oh wow.
She's very angry. I don't want to lose a finger right now, but she's not a happy girl.
Wow.
Anyway, so she's the mother. Yeah, she's very, very tough, very big. And I will show you her mate.
Wow, it's a big gecko, Mr. Sherman.
He's a really big boy.
Is it regenerating?
Yeah.
Wow,
That's
awesome.
what he took off.
Wow.
But he can be pretty angry. I was gonna show you his grandfather, I think.
Grandfather? The oldest one? Is it?
An old man. Yep.
Old? Oh no. 아, it's impossible.
Let me see.
이 코르크 튜브에서도 이제 리키도 아저씨는 어떻게 꺼내시는지 한번 봐요.
We have our handy dandy rubber antenna.
Wow. Where did you get it from, Mr. Sherman?
It came off my truck.
Ah.
That's a good boy.
Wow. What?
He's an old man. What seemed like
Wow.
you people could almost say pied, but it's all scar tissue.
Oh, okay.
It's all scar tissue. Now I feel bad. He was sleeping.
Oh, shit.
We
My
woke
bad.
up the old man.
Nah, my bad.
Okay, go
Grandpa.
back in there, buddy. So look, super high red Grandis while it's out.
Ah.
See, we got red on the tail. Let's see if we can get the cage open. We got red on the tail. Huh?
Whoa.
I wanted to see if this frog
I was sorry.
still does the tip.
And this frog is I forgot. It's
Snowflake dumpy.
oh
tree
yeah.
frog.
They all look different.
Yeah, this has got, they all came from the same breeder, but
Oh.
as you can see, he's blue but doesn't have a lot of spots.
But that one.
That one's got a lot of spots, and this one. So what else?
야채.
Hey, buddy.
진짜 크다. 너무 커요.
There's Bubba.
Wow. I wonder he grew. Is it?
I don't think he grew. So it's 454.
Whoa.
Oh, you know which other pair I can show is the field color.
Whoa. Yeah, wow. It's huge, Mr. Chimney. The size is like a
Big boy. Oh yeah.
Whoa.
So that was Yate.
And melanistic Kogus.
There's a boy.
Whoa.
And you can see they have a short tail.
Yeah.
You can see that as compared to Pointy Me, they have a much shorter tail.
That's right.
He is probably one of the most handsome of the melanistics. He's a big boy.
That's crazy.
This is the original pair
Ooh.
that I got, and they produce a percentage of melanistics.
Oh.
Our normal Mount Kogus, she's still dark. It's still a dark morph,
Yeah.
but she is not melanistic because they only produce 25% melanistic.
Oh, okay.
This is their baby from this year, who is a melanistic.
And next would be
You can see, again, big, just like a Yate.
very beautiful animal.
And he's fired down. He's very dark right now. Typically, he's golden yellow. Yeah.
You have hatchlings from this pair as well?
So again, vanishing blotches.
Yes, sir.
Very common.
Wow.
She's got a regenerated tail, but it's a couple years old. So I have a really nice 3/4 C by A pair over here. Very long form with pattern. That's the male, this is the girl. She has like a webbing on her back. So you can see, look at the length
Whoa.
of that gecko. Huge. Very long.
그러니까 이런 여러 종류의 라인의 다크모프도 있어서 예쁜 다크모프 아이들을 키우고 싶으시면 이런 아이도 괜찮은 것 같아요.
Show that pattern.
Whoa. What?
Yeah. Very similar.
Well, but it's fired down.
Yeah,
Very
fired down
similar.
for
There are
sure. Yeah.
lines
But you
on
can
this.
see the lines on the back and the white speckles.
There's a bunch of C by A, Mr. Chamley.
Yeah, I'm looking for 3/4.
Oh,
So we should probably do C by Kogus.
C by Kogus.
Again, you can see very long and lean
Whoa.
with a lot of pattern like the type C.
That's beautiful.
And these turned out to be Het Mel. Oh,